Dirt on the things. See.
I still remember business though.
Hey, man, how you doing?
It was good. How you doing? How y'all doing?
We all right.
I ain't doing nothing, right? Yeah. So look, get straight to the point, bro. You know, she lived on the 12th floor, right?
Yes.
You know.
Somebody broke an apartment.
What do you mean?
What you mean, what I mean? Somebody broke an apartment and they stole some very valuable items from me.
Well, nobody could get in this building.
That's what I said. This is a secure entry place. How is that even possible?
Actually, let me handle it. Let me handle it. You want to let me handle it?
Go ahead.
Hey, this is a secure place, right?
That's right.
You sit here all day. You can't see it.
Sort of. Yeah, I'm taking somebody's place.
You take somebody's place.
But I'm here.
All right, you here.
Right.
That's established.
Right.
So you see everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4 elevators. You see everybody go up and come down.
That's right.
So
Everybody, they fall.
explain to
they get
me
in the buildings.
So that's what I want to know. I want an explanation
On how they can get in here
they
without
get up
the
here.
fog.
They get up here without the fog. Yes, sir.
Nah, there's no one can get in here.
That's what I said.
Yeah. So when I came up here, get to the door cracked open, go in, my necklace gone, and I got hit for some money. So
How's
I
that
know you
even
ain't got
possible?
nothing to do with that.
How is that even possible?
I know you ain't got nothing to do with that.
Nah, because I don't get down like that.
What you stuttering? I mean, I don't get out. What?
Listen. You're accusing me. No, listen.
Bro, this your watch. This your watch.
No one
watch
came in
the
the
elevator.
building. So that means
What does it mean? Because I know what it means to me. I know what it look like to me.
What do you mean?
now Joe came in the building with
Joe, hold on. Who is Joe?
Joe the maintenance man.
Okay.
He came in the building with two people I never seen before.
Really?
And how these two people look?
One dude, he had a bald head
Oh.
and he had a beard.
I know damn well. Did he have like a salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper beard,
How
and the
that-
other one had locks. Now, I never seen them before.
They came in with Joe.
With Joe.
I'll be damned.
The white boy, Joe.
Yes.
All right. All right. So, okay. All right. And you ain't had nothing to do with it, huh?
Listen, I don't get down like that.
Where is Joe? Is Joe here?
I don't know. I could place a call and see.
No, don't put no. Did I say? Let me have it. Let me have it.
All right.
All right. I got you, both.
All right.
What's your name? Oh, what?
That's Omar.
You can call me O.
You get down to the bottom of it, man. I appreciate your time.
All right, man. Take care, Candy.
But you think my people have something to do with this? I told you.